Hi guys, I made this graphics build your own monster truck yesterday. There we are, a finished article out in the sunshine. I'm standing quite a distance away using the zoom lens just so I don't get my shadow on it. Yeah, that took about an hour. Job done. Fold it out of bits of card, and when I'd finished I looked at it and I thought the wheelbase is the same as that radio controlled car I was playing with for the Equestria Girls, wherever I've put that. That one. The actual chassis and running gear is off a Disney Pixar Toy Story car that has Buzz Lightyear on it and Woody. Another charity shop short, another item that caught my eye that I didn't buy, and the reason this one caught my eye is it's one of those Toy Story buggies with Buzz Lightyear and the rest on it. And it's the first time I've actually seen one in a charity shop with all the components or all the parts. So it's got the transmitter, it's got Buzz Lightyear, it's got, is it Woody? Not that I know all of the bits and pieces, but it's all there. £4.95. That's probably worth it. Anyway. So as I say, I thought it's got the same wheelbase, so I've just transferred it straight across. So it's sitting on there nicely. And we'll give it a little run in the garden. It's very windy out there, so you may or may not be able to hear me talking. But we'll give it a run anyway. Right, yeah, it's a bit windy. Come to a stop. I don't know, was that just the aerial? No, I think this has got a thermal cutout or something. Because when I let it cool down, we're off again. Yeah, it's just stopping on its own. I don't know if you can hear over the wind noise and everything else, but it's definitely clicking. That's because I found there's a missing tooth on the pinion gear, intermediate gear, next intermediate gear, main gear. It's the second intermediate gear. It's got a tooth missing. So I'll probably have to take it apart again and try and print one of them. Right, and there we are. It just needs that few seconds to cool down. it's stuck. There we go, overheat, shut down. A few seconds to cool down, and away we go again. Yeah, well, I like that. That's a bit of fun, and it actually looks quite good. That body shell does match that chassis. And we've got the trailer cam on it. That'll do. Stop. Is that just the aerial? I think it's got a thermal button or something. So now let it cool down. I don't know if you can hear over the wind noise and everything else, but it's definitely clicking. That's because I found there's a missing tooth on the pinion gear, intermediate gear, next intermediate gear, main gear. It's the second intermediate gear. It's got a tooth missing. So I'll probably have to take it apart again and try and print one of them. Seconds to cool down. Yeah, well, I like that. It's a bit of fun, and it actually looks quite good. That body shell does match that chassis. And we've got the trailer cam on it. That'll do. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there. and you might like to subscribe over there.